Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. AliShanMao here. Raining stopped and I thought, let's go out for some more FPV whooping. So I brought my favorite FPV whoops with me, that is Ishin trash can. Also brought the Armor HD. You will see the video review on my channel. But in this video, I'm gonna fly the King Kong RC Tiny GT7 FPV whoop. I'm gonna introduce it to you very quickly, and then we're gonna fly it right away. I'm riding my eMobo Duo Torque, really crazy fast e-scooter. I just did 99 km/h on this one. It was crazy. Some of my friends saw me going, phew, they said you were going like a rocket. Anyway, you probably have watched the video review of this electric scooter on my channel. Let's get back to Tiny GT7. First off, let me just quickly introduce it to you. I do have my trash can there, which I will fly later. First thing first, that I love about King Kong quadcopters is that they always send you a beautiful, nice case. Now this is really a nice case with handle for you to carry batteries, charger, and your FPV whoop. Now, of course, after the review, I will remove this and use this to carry all my other FPV whoops, that is Emax Tiny Hawk, Trash Can, Mobula 7, and GT7. So this will basically become my storage for FPV whoops. So after appreciating the box, you'll see a 7.4 volt 380 mAh battery, a very strong built FPV quadcopter, really strong. Tiny GT7 is really built strong. That frame actually looks very strong. Let's see how long it will actually survive the crashes. Now, the thing that I don't like about this quadcopter is the camera angle. You cannot change the camera angle. You're stuck with this camera angle right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this canopy and change the camera angle so I can fly it faster, because with this camera angle all you can do is slow flying. This baby does have some power and performance, but with this camera angle you are limited to fly slowly. So I have to again say it that I will cut the canopy, and so you will, to make the camera angle even higher or more so that you can fly it faster. I want to fly at these angles. That's the angle to fly whoop, okay? All right. After that, you have, of course, extra props, USB cables, stickers, user manual, etc. All right, enough. So let's power it up. My QX7 is ready. My goggles are ready. First, I'll give you a line of sight flight, and I do have a 7.4 volt Gowning battery, and we will use this to fly the quadcopter. Alright, I'll give it a line of sight flight first with the Gowning 450 mAh battery, and we'll use the original stock battery to fly FPV. It does have a good LED light here and a couple of more lights blinking around. So here we go for a line of sight flight. Now with a 450 mAh battery, it's a little heavy. So I had to set the throttle curves, my favorite throttle curve. Man, the handling is just superb on this. And the baby is fast enough, I believe. I don't cut the trees. So we're gonna have some fun, but it does not have the punch like Mobula or Trash Can, you gotta give it to that. It does not have punch like that. See, it does not have that punch. So yes, it does not have that much punch again, but whatever we have should be more than enough to actually FPV whoop the little Olympic Parks area we have here. Uh-oh, almost hit the tree. A baby does have some speed, you gotta give it to it. So, why are we wasting battery by looking at it? Let's hold it don't do it at home. Don't do it. Don't perform this stunt. Don't copy this stunt unless you know what you're doing. So let's fly FPV, shall we? Dude, I'm gonna go that way. Gotcha!
Houston, we have landed safely.
Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.